Hello guys, it's Brian the Pokemon again with my second video ever. This is one how I store my cards and where I keep them. Most of my cards are in this OLX tin from Dialga. I'll show you the tin in a second. That many cards? Lots of cards. I don't know if from my last video, all my like holos, reverse holos. I don't know if there's any more rares in here. I don't think so because I went through them before I actually made my first video ever. So that's where I usually keep my cards. If I want to go somewhere and I want to take like all my cards, I would take this Pokemon Platinum tin. Arceus, Platinum Arceus. Or you just pop open the lid, put your cards in there. A little bit more cards are in here. In this one here. Whoopsies, sorry, my hand. I'll close this tin up. Okay. Let's put everything. Yeah, these are all my holos reverse. This is a retarded deck box I made out of paper and double-sided tape. Don't know why. I have HS Triumphant deck that I will show in another video soon. Nothing has been taken out of this deck. Here I've got some Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I don't really care about Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Some of them are probably fake. I don't really care. Yes. And the rest of the the rest of the stuff that's in here is like, you know, rubber bands, this thing to put my cards in, Mudkip Pokemon, and like a Yu-Gi-Oh magnet. That's pretty much it. So put all this stuff back in. Yes, so that's how I would store my cards. Here I've got like my damage counters and like that card list and the playmat. So yeah, that's how I store my cards. I think it's an effective way to store your cards. I mean, you can use any type of box, storage boxes, whatever, tissue boxes even. I'll also show you how to make that paper deck box. Just using paper and like just tape. So thank you guys, and rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later with my Triumphant deck, which is probably going to be my next video. See ya.